Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and welcome to a new YouTube video on this channel. I haven't uploaded a video in ages, but I thought I'm gonna do another little video about the series that I kind of started like half a year ago. Oh my goodness, it's been longer than half a year ago. Well, anyways, this video is gonna be about how to monetize your social media. So I started this little series about how to start working with brands on your YouTube or on your Instagram, whatever social platform you're using really. And in this video we're going to talk about monetizing your social media. So if you're interested in that, definitely keep on watching. I'm going to be talking about a platform that I found that is absolutely amazing. It helps you so much growing your social media, and it also helps you find brand deals that you'll get paid with. When you first start becoming a content creator and you start making videos or you start taking photos and selfies and I don't know, and promoting products, there's a lot of things to learn. Some people, I guess, they're just naturally talented. Their Instagram looks snatched from day one. Mine obviously didn't. I am still working on it, but I'm definitely coming, like, you know, I'm definitely getting better at it, and I'm starting to really like my Instagram at the moment. There's a lot of things I can still improve, but for this moment I think it's fine. What I was gonna say is that it takes a little while to figure out how to create the best content. Once you started working with brands, you realize that there's actually so much time and effort that goes into creating content that you do kind of think, well, it would be lovely to be you know, compensated for that, for all of that time and effort that goes into it. You don't need 500,000 followers to get your first paid deal. Definitely not. I know a lot of people that are starting to get paid brand deals when they only have 1,000 followers, simply because they have a great relationship with their followers. Why not start getting paid for it? You know, you already put this much time and effort into it, might as well get paid. And brands these days, they're happy to pay for your time and effort if it grows their brand's awareness, and also if you bring them a lot of sales. So I'm going to talk about this beautiful influencer platform, which is called Brybe.com. I'm going to put it down below, and you also can sign up through that link if you want to. It's actually really cool and I love it so far. I'm going to talk about a little bit what it is about and also how it works. It takes a little bit getting used to with every new platform, to be honest. Not long, but I'll just tell you how it works. Brybes is a network for better influencer marketing strategies. So it is a platform where brands can sign up and influencers can sign up, and then they can communicate. At the moment, Brybes is the most advanced influencer platform there is, and it is super easy to sign up. I've already signed up, obviously. And what I really like about this, I have it open here and I'm gonna insert some clips about it. Obviously you'll create your own profile and stuff, and then you can create packages which you decide how much people have to pay for each package.
So I'm just quickly going to show you my account on Brybes. So basically I have two different custom bribes at the moment. I have a YouTube video and an Instagram post. I have both fees down for each custom bribe, and I also have my media kit attached to each one of them. You can literally sign up if you have over 1,000 followers on any platform, really. And it's an awesome opportunity to stay in the same line and to be literally on the same platform as many top influencers who have over 1 million audience. So you can be seen by brands who also work with huge influencers. And yeah, you can sign up literally as any kind of creator: photographer, videographer, editor, a writer, and then you can create a custom bribe, which I just showed you, with your own description and your own price, and brands will be able to buy these bribes. Now it's 100% safe for influencers and creators, because the brand will pay money through the platform and it will keep it on hold until the order is finished.
I think it's amazing because sometimes between brands and influencers it can get to some misunderstandings, because the brand wants, for example, a video or a TikTok or a reel, and the influencer's like, well, you said a post on Instagram, which is like a photo. And so if you put up different kinds of packages on your profile, which is like maybe package 1 as 1 post and 1 story, package 2 is maybe a carousel, a couple of photos in 1 post, or 2 posts and maybe 3 stories, and then the third package is a YouTube video or a TikTok or a reel, which to be honest I feel like takes about the same amount of time, even though a TikTok is like 5 seconds and a video can be like 10 minutes. It also helps you to find the amount of money you want to charge for each product or for each package that you offer. If you have 7,000 followers, you are most likely able to charge about $70 per post. If you have, let's say, 10,000 followers, you can charge $100 per post. I mean, it also varies about how many likes you get, how much engagement you get, how many saves you get, how many shares you get. So yeah, I think Brybes is a super easy way to find brand deals. You can also specify your profile. So for example, I put in that I talk about beauty, food, health and fashion, and then there are some categories under that. So beauty might be makeup and skincare, but some people might do hairstyles, you know, so it's really specific about what you post on your profile so that the network can really find you the perfect brand deal and the brand that really fits to you. What we don't want as influencers or content creators is to just literally promote every single product that we get sent, because that just is not genuine, you know. Sometimes I really like to eat plant-based meals and vegan meals, not constantly, but I really like to promote them because I just think they're really interesting to me. I really like them, and that's why I like to promote them, because it's something that fits to me. And if a brand finds you with that exact same interest, they're most likely going to be wanting to work with you and pay you for that, because they know that your followers trust you in that specific part. Brybe is not only a network for Instagram, definitely not. You can put in your Facebook account, you can put in your YouTube account, you can put in your Twitter account, your Instagram account, and your TikTok account. So there's heaps of social media networks that Brybe is able to find brands for you, and brands to find the perfect influencer for. When you're looking for brands to work with on Brybe, you can not only put in your location, but you can also put in the delivery time. So let's say, for example, there's this brand that wants to send you a lipstick or a makeup product, and then you as the creator can set a time frame in which you're going to be delivering that content. And then when you are looking for brand requests, they show you the brands, they show you which country they are from, they show you what platform they want the promotion to be on. So if it is Twitter, TikTok, Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, and they also show you how much money they're going to offer you for that. You can communicate with the brand to find out what works best for you guys.
So this is the main page of Brybe. You can sign up as an influencer or creator. You can literally sign up as a photographer, videographer, editor, writer, dancer, magician, and more. And as a brand, you can also sign up as a small apparel shop, or if you're selling a course, if you're selling presets for pictures, or if you have music that you want to be viral on TikTok, you can also sign up. Basically, you create your own little bio and your own custom Brybe, and then brands can request your Brybe, and you can also apply for requests.
Okay, so I think that was everything about this platform. Again, if you're interested, click the link down below and you can sign up to it and see what brands are looking for influencers in your region at the moment. And yeah, let me know how you like this video, let me know how you like the platform if you've already signed up to it, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.